y'all, it's me again. I thought I would take y'all with me and Kendall on our next vacation. You know, it's Valentine's Day, a little bit after. We had to work this week, so we celebrating Valentine's right now, right this weekend. So yeah, we're about to take this little ride. The last time I went on a little trip, I ain't even posted. I got a bunch of videos, but my last little vlog, I ain't talk. So I'm gonna talk on this one, and yeah, enjoy the ride. Cause guess where we going? Myrtle Beach. And for y'all about to be like, oh, shut up. It's my little vacation. Now tune in. Got gas. We're gonna go back to the house because we forgot something, and then we get on the road for real this time. Here we are, because I don't record this video 5 times. But y'all, we had to stop and get something to eat. We ain't ate nothing. What are you doing? We ate nothing. We just got on the road and we hungry, so sorry, I got my hair. I don't know how I got my hair, but it's pulling. But we at KFC, we finna eat, and I finished my nails. But we at KFC, we finna eat. We finna get them new chicken wraps with new buffalo ranch. Kendall, look, stop.
Talk to the people.
Y'all, this hurt. Oh my God. But yeah, we finna try that. We've been waiting here. They putting us behind. Cause we were supposed to get there at 4 o'clock. Now we're about to get there at 4:30. But yeah, I just wanna update y'all. All right. Y'all, I guess it's the double room suite or whatever. Y'all on a kitchen, refrigerator, bathroom. Ooh, y'all. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna draw the camera. I'm gonna redo that. Bathroom. And then we already put stuff in here. They got a bed. It's got a bed. It's okay. It's decent, y'all. It's good. It's good. You know, we got a little ocean. Living nice. People out here. I just want to show y'all. There's people out here.
Hello!
He's silly, bro.
Hey, down yonder.
Alright. Somebody up on us. Okay. Y'all, we actually headed to. Let me show y'all.
Go to the Christmas store?
No, look.
Look at it. You being bougie. I'm not gonna be nothing.
No, I'm not.
Let me see the face you just made.
No, I said no, I want to go to the Christmas store.
Huh?
Huh? We gotta go to see your frogs, y'all. Grab us something to eat. I don't see. Oh, that was so dumb. Okay. So right now it's like 10:23. I'm sorry for shaking. We had a rough night. When I say a rough night, Put my seatbelt on. We had a rough night because there was roaches in our room. There was pee on the toilet when we first got there. But we got moved and there was roaches in the other room. I don't care how old nothing is. I don't care. Like, folks' houses be old. There's no reason for it to be roaches in 2 rooms.
Bro, 10th floor is crazy.
10th floor. And then we moved to the 8th floor, still roaches.
Why they got so high in this building, bro? This daycare.
So then they tried to say my boyfriend hoodie was in his room, in the room, so we had to go get it ourselves. He got his hoodie back. But yeah, like, y'all, I'm really tired because this happened like 1 o'clock in the morning. Like, we really didn't even get like a good night's sleep for real because we were just like, oh, like disgusted. Like, we had to, you know, we just had to deal with what we do. Like,
niggas.
Hey. Yeah, so more of the story, we had a rough night. So now we finna go get some breakfast. I'm sorry. We're gonna get some breakfast. And yeah. So we ain't no more all the waste time. But like I said, we can't check in for free. But we finna go on tonight. I don't know, y'all, so here we are about that. We at another hotel. So this I ain't even looked at it, but it's decent. Look at the bathroom. In her shower, in the tub, it's okay. It's kind of y'all. We just got a king bed this time. So we literally leaving tomorrow. So we didn't need nothing. Oh, sorry. We didn't need nothing crazy tonight. Because we leaving tomorrow. But yep. No bugs.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but once you mine, you ain't leaving.
Now we finna... I don't care about that car.
Oh?
Now we finna go eat at the original crab house. Kendall, time to go to the ship.
Yo, nah.
Date. I changed clothes because we had to do a little photo shoot. It's cold outside, but I look good. It's a little cold outside. Yep, we back. So, Kendall is home. We about to go to Dave & Buster's now.
If it's not pink, it just don't make sense to me. Like, what is this? What the fuck is this? Make it pink and make it pink.